Hey, this is Greg with Fit for Expedition. Today we are installing this Mustee, M-U-S-T-E-E shower stall. It's 32 inch by 32 inch and we're going to put it together. It's supposed to be fairly easy to assemble. We picked this up from Ace Hardware. It was around $250, somewhere around that. I think it might be $260 now. And it's supposed to be easy to assemble. I know that there's van lifers and other self-build RVs that are using this shower and have recommended it. So we thought we'd give it a shot. Let's see what happens. So it comes with these instructions, and I read through them. They look pretty easy. It's pretty easy to assemble. We'll find out that it's not. And then it's got, these are the corners. These are the panels. There's 3 panels. And it's got, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, these are probably the back corners. These are probably the front corners. This is a rail, like a rail you can hold on to. It's not very strong looking. I think this is the top. And then over here is the shower base. Right here. And it's pretty shallow because we were worried about it actually being too tall and then the whole shower being too tall to fit in here, but it's fine. Okay, I'm getting it now. Is it in there?
You're trying to have Jello. It's great. No problem. How hard could that be? I have no idea. I can't tell which is which, so I'm sorry.
Okay, so the instructions aren't real good because the illustrations don't really show a difference. Okay, see, this is this one.
Yeah.
So we put the wrong one on here.
But doesn't the other one just go on the back, the other side?
Yeah, so we're just doing it an opposite way. So we can just start on the next, we can just start on another panel and start like, this time we're starting from the beginning. Alright. So, either through the magic of videography, we will be doing this in the correct order, or we'll just show that we didn't do it in the correct order.
Yes, just fix it in post.
Fix it in post. Just tap it right on the jello. I think it actually is working. Okay, start it up there. I'm only using a hammer because it says to use a hammer in the instructions.
That's not in the right language. Oh, down here.
Where's the pig Latin?
Working from the outside, angle the center panel assembly slightly to start engagement to the side panel.
Yeah, I get it.
Process.
I get it now. Because you have to enter it in like this at an angle and then turn it like this. So you kind of put it at an angle, then put it this way and then hammer it in. So let's hammer it home.
Putting on the front supports.
Did you say pudding?
To the other side.
It feels like pudding.
Yeah. You're right, it's more like hammering pudding than hammering Jello.
Yes. Pudding. Okay. Hammer it all a little bit, you know, make sure it's all pretty good. Put the back of this to the wall.
Okay.
And then we can put that other side, that corner piece on. And that'll give me something to hammer against.
Okay.
The fact that the toilet's going to be in here too is a little bit worrisome. We've had this for months, so a couple of months before we got it, and we thought we were going to get to that point. But floor, insulation, door,
Making sure we know where things are going to go.
all that stuff. Here's a bag of bolts. What's your second favorite toy? Right after a bag of broken glass.
Yes. The bolts, you know, they taste better.
Yeah. They go down a lot easier.
1/4 inch flathead machine screw through the hole in the molded safety rail washer. There's these things. I don't know what these things are.
Yeah, it doesn't. Well, what's this? Oh, those are numbers. Okay. It's not the most informative, descriptive set of directions.
It looks like these.
Those are letters. Those are just, I mean, numbers.
Right there.
There's numbers here too.
Right
They all
there.
look the same.
Right there. There.
Where?
There.
So it's these 6,
Mm-hmm.
and this goes in here, and those outside things go through the outside. Those
go on the outside.
Yeah.
This
yeah.
goes on the outside, this goes on the inside.
That's what it seems like to me.
Me too.
Okay, and it is in the spot. You're pushing right into it, so.
Okay, let me put 2 of them. Let me put one on this side
Okay.
too.
So I'm just gonna feed all these through.
Okay. I don't want the camera on me because I'm in the shower.
I'm gonna take video of Kelly in the shower. So we just mounted all these plastic washers here. I'm calling them washers. I don't know what they call them in the instructions. There's 6 of them on the outside. Together, they hold a rail that goes inside, which is right here. They call it a safety rail, I think. Isn't that what they're calling it?
Yeah.
I don't know what's so safety about it, but anyway. It does have some nifty soap dishes. I mean, right there. So that's what we're working on now. Kelly's gonna get inside in the shower. So the instructions say to put these in first. Okay, now, should we start the other ones, or?
Maybe tighten that one a little bit more.
That one's barely tight over there. So these are the nuts that go on the inside. And they have a little flange, like a built-in washer.
Oh, shit.
Let's start on the back one.
Okay.
This one on the side and back. They win. And Kelly's putting those nuts on. We got to get a wrench though to tighten them still. Okay, so where are we? This is the rail. 6, we were on 6, right? Truss head, screw, and base. Oh no, that's in base. Okay. Apply a small bead of quality waterproof caulking. You have to provide your own caulk. They don't provide the caulk. So, well, this is the caulk we're using because we already have it. So, but it is waterproof. Silicone caulk. It actually is a very good. It's probably like an $8 or $10 tube of caulk. So I think it's pretty good stuff. It says apply a small bead. Good, because we don't have much of quality waterproof caulking in track on shower base. Use the safety rail to lift the walls and place into the track against the caulking. loosening it up a little bit. Tell me to set it down if I need to set it down.
It's not in yet. Oh, okay. Down.
Okay, so we are on 7 now. Number 7. Set top frame in place and secure the panels. It'll fit.
But will it go on and then also fit?
You try to put that in there. I'm going to do this. So we can fit it in there, but it came out, so. Okay.
That it fits in this little ridge up here.
This
so.
fits in a little ridge. Okay. And if you were putting this in something that had more than a 6'3" clearance, it wouldn't be any issue at all. It'd be easy. We'd have been done an hour ago. It's a bit precarious. So we put all these screws on the outside because the instructions didn't really say whether to put them on the outside or the inside. But we've learned that they go on the inside. Makes it much sturdier. Keeps everything clipped together. Figure 7 says, set the top frame in place and secure the panels and front supports following the same procedure previously used for securing the base. So we did that, and it was a little bit tough for us because you can see it's right against the ceiling. In fact, when we put the ceiling material in, it's probably going to tweak it down just a little bit. That's okay. It'll help hold it in place. Okay, so we're on 8, and 8 says, set threshold in place between the front support extrusions. It looks like it goes like this. These drawings are really bad in this. But that looks like it's the right way.
From the outside, after the bead of caulk, from the outside insert a 1/4, 20, half.
I missed that whole thing.
Right, no, it's weird. It looks like it's translation or something. Okay. Okay.
I want to introduce you to a new friend. This is Durastall, our new all-in-one bathroom. Yeah, that's a bucket. Hey guys, if you like the videos that we post here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, that would be great, because I will definitely get back to you and share these videos with your friends if you think they would enjoy them. This has been Greg with Fit for Expedition. See you next time.